Hey everyone, this is Kirk with An Easier Way to Trade. Guys, we are super excited about January 4th of 2023. We are launching An Easier Way to Trade Semi-Expert Advisor with management. We've been back testing this thing for over a year now. Guys, the hardest part about trading is actually pulling the trigger. That's what we found out. The hardest part, man, have you ever had a time when you said you marked up a chart, you marked it up, and you said, man, I wish I would have taken this trade? Well, all that is going to be done for you. An Easy Way to Trade Semi-Expert Advisor is going to actually take the trade for you. However, we're going to be managing the trade. So once it puts you in the trade, we're going to show you how to manage that trade to decide if you want to stay in it or not. We're going to be doing Zooms twice a week. And holding trainings on how to actually look and determine if you want to stay in this trade or not. The EA will actually open the trade and close the trades for you manually. You can let it run and see what it does. It works beautifully, but we're going to have maximum profits by managing the trades. So head on over to mycellphoneisAnATM.com. Join the free Discord group and check out other members right now that are having great success. We're looking forward to a big year in 2023. See, the goal is to win more than you lose. We manage the semi-EA by closing the trades that we don't want and letting the good trades run. The first one right here, the first account right here is a $300 account. Guys, we're averaging anywhere from $75 to $100 a day on this account now. The second one you see is a much larger account. See by the lot size and the profits. It works on small accounts, big accounts. Again, the object here is to win more than you lose by trade management. We're super excited, and I'm going to show you exactly how we do the trade management on the next screen. Now, you're probably wondering, what I mean by managing, how you're going to learn to manage it. It won't take you more than 2 to 3 minutes. When a signal comes out, a trade signal comes out, and the EA takes a trade, it will alert you. And it won't take more than 2 to 3 minutes to pull out your computer or your cell phone and look at the trade really quick, because we're going to, again, we're going to be holding Zooms trainings, Mondays and Wednesdays, showing you exactly how to do this. When the trade opens, we'll go to that trade. We'll show you what to look for. We're just looking for structure, guys. And again, it shouldn't take more than 2 to 3 minutes per trade to do this. We want to see if the trade is in structure. So right here, look at this one, 80 Chef on the 4-hour. That was our entry. We had our TP. We want to see if the trade is if it's going in the structure. Our entry's right here. It wasn't going in the structure, so we got that quick money. All right, and then we have a managed stop loss. We say if the trade reverses on us and breaks the structure and like it's going the opposite way, we're going to close that trade. We're not going to let it go all the way to stop loss. We're going to close it. That's what I mean by managing it. So it's more profit, less losses. Now, this is what we're really excited about. So you're going to gain access to our Telegram signals group. What this is when its EA takes a trade, all right, when a trade signals is taken by the EA, it will automatically be sent to this Telegram signals group. Now you can manually trade each trade signal on your personal account. So while the EA is making money, now you're mirroring those trades on your personal account making money. And again, we are going to be showing you exactly how to manage the trade. So as you see on here, the trade comes out. We have ERNZD, a sale. It tells you the entry, the time frame, the stop loss, and the take profit, guys. And again, we're going to be managing these trades and sending you out information in this Telegram group, whether, we're saying, we don't like this trade, we're going to close it. Or we're on a Zoom and you're on a Zoom and we say, well, we don't like this trade, we're going to close it. We'll automatically put that information in this Telegram group and you'll get that information so you can actually close it, or you make your own determination to whether you want to stay in it or not. Again, it won't take you more than 2 to 3 minutes per each trade once we teach you how to manage these trades. So everyone, with everything you've just seen, you'll be able to get this membership January 4th, 2023. You'll get the expert advisor. You'll get access to all of our training videos. You get weekly training sessions with us live. You have access to the EA Signals channel, and something else that's a benefit. You'll get EA training for the FTMO accounts. If you're not familiar with that, you definitely need to jump on. Guys, we're excited. January 4th, 2023. Again, join our Discord group at mycellphoneisAnATM.com to get more information, and we'll see you in the markets. Let's make some money.